Hi, it's Craig, WRNM 382. Today, we're going to be talking about the Baofeng GM-15 Pro, and we'll get to it right after this. Before I go any further, I want to give a shout out to my latest Patreon members. If you'd like to join Patreon and help out the channel, there's a link in the description area. Let's take a look at what you get in the box. Get a wall adapter, charging cable that is for USB A and C. You get your very own Tactical TED earpiece and microphone, belt clip, wrist strap. You get a wall adapter for, well, it looks like Germany on this one. 1900 milliamp hour battery. You get the rubber duck, 15-inch antenna, the owner's manual, and the radio itself. At the time of filming this video, this radio is currently going on the Baofeng website for $25.99. They're showing that it is a 5-watt GMRS radio. You cannot unlock it. It is channelized, as all GMRS radios are required to be. However, if you go to the Amazon page, it's showing the same radio putting out 8 watts. I did contact Baofeng and they said it is in fact a 5-watt radio. On Amazon, you have a twin pack that is selling with a 10% coupon for $47.99. This is a pretty good owner's manual. I didn't have much problems with it. It has a lot of good information in it. One of the things I do like is it gives you an explanation of all the menu items. Then it will also show you what each menu item looks like on the screen and the settings you can choose for it. In the back, you get the usual CTCSS table, as well as DCS. Has some good information on all the screen icons and how to set things up and basic operations. All in all, pretty good one. Don't need a translator to figure it out. Now we're going to take a quick look around this radio. Starting with the left side, you have your push to talk button. This top one, a quick press will get you a radio station, the commercialized FM. Long press will put on a siren. The bottom one, a quick press gets you the flashlight. Long press will open up the squelch. On the top, your usual antenna connection, flashlight, indicator that shows whether you're transmitting or receiving, power, and volume knob. On the right side, this is where your K1 plug is for programming cables and microphones. You have your speaker, the mic is right up here, obviously your screen. You have this 10 key for doing a lot of your inputting functions. This green button gets you into the menu. These two buttons will move you through the menu. This one will take you out of the menu, and a long press will put on the weather NOAA channel scan and long press it again to get out of it. Bottom right, you can use that for scanning through the frequencies. Unfortunately, you can't see anything with the light on. And there you have it. You can see you can scan through there by pushing the hashtag. Push it again to get out of it. For the weather, same thing. Press and hold. And it starts scanning through all the weather channels till it finds the one you want. Because I am in this stucco cave, we're not going to get anything. Although it looks like it did land on Weather Channel 5. Yeah, but we're not getting enough to worry about. Press and hold again to stop it and go back to the regular channels. Unfortunately, you cannot run this with the screen light completely off. You have a choice of 1 to 10 seconds or constant, which they call bright. On the back, you have your battery, and on the bottom, you can see where it's set up for Type C, and here's your indicator of whether it's charging or not. Red charging, green done. And this is your battery release button. Okay, I've tried to adjust the light so you can at least see the screen. Go into the menu, press the green button here on the top left. And if you've ever used any Baofeng radio, you'll recognize this menu. You have 42 menu selections. And they're all the usual ones. There's nothing extraordinary here. Now you can program 2-meter frequencies in here, but that is only going to be for receiving. You cannot transmit on them. If you want to switch from channel A to B, just quick press on the exit/weather button. You see the arrow drops down, hit it again, and you're back up to A. This radio has these pre-programmed DIY channels. And these allow you to make different changes. Say you're using the same frequency for a repeater in your home county, but then you travel to another state, you can set up several of these. First thing you do, go into the menu. You're going to go to menu item number 12 for the transmit CTCSS. And we're going to go up to 146.2, and you can go ahead and hold the button to get there faster. Lock it in. Exit out. Now let's see if this works. WRNM 382 testing. And it works like a charm. That's all there is to it for setting up a repeater in these radios. Now if you use the programming software, you can then change the name from like DIY-6. I would change it to Santiago. Now let's take a look at the power. We're going to be going through a dummy load, so don't worry about these big numbers. That's the SWR. These smaller numbers, this is the one you want to worry about. Now, according to Baofeng, this is supposed to be a 5-watt radio. We're going to try it on several different channels. We'll start with channel 1. And we're at 5.84. Let's go up to channel 15. And again, we're at 5.84. Go up to the repeater section. Try repeater 3. And we're 5.86. So this is above the 5 watts that Baofeng claims it is. I do like this radio. Heck, I even like the color. Hadn't had any issues with it. Seems to work great. It's putting out the power that Baofeng claims it should. In fact, a little more. If you don't have a GMRS license, which is required, just go to the FCC website. You can get one there. It's $35 for 10 years, and everyone in your family can use one call sign. You, your wife, your kids. It's not an expensive radio. It's an easy way to get into the hobby. I really appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, please leave them in the comments section below. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe and don't forget to click on the bell so you'll be notified each time I upload a video. If you'd like to help support the channel, there is a Patreon link in the description area. And while you're here, why don't you check out one of these other videos. And again, thanks for watching.